Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Wi-Fi calling in your iQOO 7Z Pro. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you need to click on settings, and once you click on settings you need to find like networks and internet, and you need to click on networks and internet. Over here you need to click on this option, SIM card and network. When you click on SIM card and network, you will see these options, and now you need to click on SIM 1, where the SIM is operated by, or you can say options. You need to click on SIM 1, and once you click on SIM 1, you will see there are lots of options, and you need to scroll down, and in the bottom side you can see Wi-Fi calling. Okay, so you need to click on Wi-Fi calling, and once you tap on Wi-Fi calling, your toggle may be like this condition, so you need to turn it on, and that's it. You can turn it on and off by using this method. You can enable your Wi-Fi calling. So this is the tutorial. If this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.